Welcome back to Shore Social. My name is Tennille, and today we are going to be taking a look at the new end screen process and how you can add a end screen to your videos, just like I do at the end of mine. By adding an end screen to the end of your video, it entices the viewer that's currently watching your video to continue watching your content instead of going to other people and other channels, which is what you want to do. You want to entice that person to continue watching your videos so they stay on your channel so you get the views. So let's jump over to the computer and I'm going to show you how to do that in the new YouTube Studio. Alright, so you're going to want to head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard and open up the video that you want to add the end screen to. Okay, so it has moved in the new updated Studio, so you're going to want to head over to the editor, which is on the left hand side of the video page. Okay, so this may be a little bit tricky for those of you that have never done this before, but that is the purpose of this video. So you'll see a little box down here called end screen. So it's basically a box within a box. All you need to do is click add element. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. I usually just follow the apply template way, or you can go ahead and add in separate things yourself. So essentially if you click on apply template, it'll bring up pretty much layouts that you can choose from instead of having to manually do it yourself, which is what I do. Or you can actually import it from a video if you have a structured way of editing and adding in these end screens and you want to stick to that same layout. You can actually import from previous videos, which is also what I do to make it a little bit easier. So I'll show you just generically what it does. So let's say we just want to hit import for this one. It'll bring up a subscribe box and 2 video boxes as well. Now, let's say I want to get rid of that and actually import from a video. So I'll click import from video. It'll bring up all your videos, nice and simple and nice and easy. So whatever your latest one is will be at the top, unless you're actually in your latest one now, like I am. Click on that bad boy and it'll import the layout that you desire. And of course, the last option was adding in an element by element basis. So you just go ahead and click the little add element, and we're going to go ahead and add a video. So that'll essentially just add in your own element. So you can add in that and do it like that, but I essentially delete all of that and just import from video because I have the same layout for each video. And then you just click save. All right, let's check out what it looks like on the video itself. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself because I don't want to listen to myself. But let's go ahead and have a look. And there you have it. You can move these all over the screen wherever you like, but essentially it is as easy as that, guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We are really, really close to 500 subscribers, so thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.